here from Baumgart's Auto Repair. Today I'm going to tell you about a 1/4 inch impact wrench kit from Ingersoll Rand. The kit number is W3111-K22. It is an awesome kit. You get your impact, your charger, a 2.5 amp hour battery, and a 5 amp hour battery. The battery life is great. The batteries have got the charge status indicator on it, so there's no guesswork. The impact has got 3 speeds. Each speed is the same for forward and reverse when it's selected. Some of the impacts that I have used are full tilt in reverse, no matter what speed you've got it set at. And it's caused some issues with a fastener flying off of a socket and having to hunt down a new one. So in this one, when you have it in low, you've got it in low. It's low torque as well as low speed, so you can work on some of the smaller things and not have to worry about, you know, over torquing or again flinging a fastener somewhere. But there's a bright idea that Ingersoll had, and it's to put a halo headlight on it. So it's quite bright. You see, you can use it as a flashlight if you need to in a pinch. The speeds, again, you know, we've got a low speed, medium, high. It is a pretty quiet unit as compared to some of the other impacts that I've used, and it's a great tool. I'm glad that I've got it, and we can see how it compares to Ingersoll's 3/8 composite gun. It's very similar in size, but it's lighter than it. So if you're looking for a good cordless impact, I definitely would recommend this. I think I might even purchase a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch one of these because I am so happy with it. So thank you very much and have a great day.